Hello everyone, today I am going to talk about discus throw. The discus throw, also known as disc throw, is a track and field event in which an athlete throws a heavy disc called a discus in an attempt to mark a further distance than their competitors. It is an ancient sport. It was one of the events of the ancient Greek pentathlon, which can be dated back to at least to 708 BC, and it is part of the modern decathlon. Now, this is the measurement of discus throw. In modern competition, the discus must be thrown from a circle 2.5 meters in diameter and fall within a 40-degree sector marked on the ground from the center of the circle. All lines are 5 cm width. Equipment required: measuring tape. It is used for measuring length of the throw of the discus. Marking flags. They are used to mark several throws made by a single player. Recording sheets. They are recorded by the trainers or officials to record the scores and other details of the players. Rules and regulations of discus. The body of the disc could be made either of wood or other suitable material having a circular edge with a metal rim. It could either be solid or hollow. It should weigh around 2 kg and have a diameter of 22 cm for men. For women, the weight is 1 kg and the diameter is 18 cm. The cross section of the edge should have a radius of 6 mm and it should be a proper circle. The next point: the sides of the disc shall be identical sans any sharp edges, irregularities and protrusions. The side should taper in a straight line from the point where the curve of the rim starts to a circle which has a radius of 25 mm to 28.5 mm from the midpoint. Finally, the finishing has to be smooth. In the throwing section, the discus can be thrown by an athlete after he or she stands in a circle which has a diameter of 2.5 meter while the athletes attempt the throw. They cannot touch the top of the rim. However, they can touch the inner part of the rim of the circle. An athlete is not permitted to touch the ground outside the stipulated circle. Furthermore, prior to the disc hitting the ground, the athlete cannot go out of the circle. If he or she does that, it is considered as a foul. In Olympics, each of the athletes is given 8 chances and the best of them is recorded to determine the result. Another important point is that if the disc ends up outside the landing area, the throw would not be held valid. And the next is officials. A minimum of 6 officials are required, 3 operating at the circle and 3 in the field. From that, area coordinator allocate officials to the various positions, supervise the preparation of the area regarding safety equipment and define the competition area. Then chief judge stand outside the discus cage to the front of the circle and will watch for the infringements which are most likely to occur at the front. Advise the athlete the reason for a foul. Official B stand outside the discus cage and to the rear of the circle, then watch for infringement at the rear as the thrower turns and will also pull the tape through the center of the circle. Recorder check field sheets for compliance with rules of the event, then check the registration number of athletes as they take their trial and ensure result is recorded against correct athlete. Then record the results on the result sheets and call up competitors. Sector judges operate in the field watching the sector lines and assist in determining the point of landing. Then spotter determines where the discus lands, indicates with a spike holding the zero end of the tape or EDM prism. EDM operator set up the EDM equipment. The tie-breaking rule: in case of a tiebreaker, the second best throw determines the winner. The next is world records of discus throw. Men: Jurgen Schult 74.08 meter. Women: Gabriel Rinch 76.80 meter in 1988. Then Olympic records for men: Virgilis Alekna 69.89 meter and women Martina Hellman 72.30 meter. Then World Championship records: men Virgilis Alekna 70.17 meter and women Martina Hellman 71.62 meter in 1987. Now the best discus throwers from India. 4-time Olympian Vikas Gowda is the most successful discus thrower from India. Veteran Indian discus thrower and 2014 Asian Games gold medalist Seema Punya is among the most accomplished female athletes in the discipline. Tokyo-bound Kamalpreet Kaur, meanwhile, is on the rise. She became the first Indian woman to breach the 65-meter barrier in discus throw at the 24th Federation Cup Senior Athletics Championship and also qualify for the Tokyo Olympics with that effort.